Hi Sagittarius, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for the month of April 2021. The signs are Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you, Sagittarius. Okay. You have the Four of Pentacles, heavy earth energies over here, Sagittarius. Right now, I feel you guys are giving out a very closed off energy. You want to safeguard yourself, your money, your family, your loved ones. Are you afraid of losing something, Sagittarius? Are you afraid of losing someone you love, or a job, or a property? Just insecure about your belongings, because those are the energies that I'm getting over here. You have the Hierophant, could be dealing with a Taurus person. Sagittarius, what I feel here is you need to ground yourself. If you're dealing with a lot of insecurity and anxiety, you need to ground yourself because this is going to affect your health otherwise. Okay, you have the Ace of Wands. Something new is coming your way. A beautiful new beginning filled with passion, and a beautiful commitment is coming your way, Sagittarius. And you're a fire sign and you associate with the suit of wands. And so these could be your energies, Sagittarius. If you're dealing with some health issues, rest assured you're going to feel better very soon. Have faith in healing. You have the Five of Wands as well. Be aware of people who are trying to deceive you. If you have even the slightest hint of someone taking advantage of you, don't underestimate that, Sagittarius. Just go with your gut, because your gut is your higher self guiding you. So never underestimate it. There could be some people who are trying to get onto your good books so that you can trust them and they can take advantage of you. You have the Six of Wands. Good news is coming your way. You need to hold on to your faith. You need to hold on to the fact that what goes around comes around. And if someone's let you down, or if you've been feeling um, mentally and physically down and out, trust me, your time is changing. A good news will help you liberate, help you feel liberated actually, and help you rejuvenate. You will bounce back, Sagittarius. You have the Nine of Cups as well. It's a wish fulfillment card, Sagittarius. Just have faith that you are on the right path. You will attract only those people who have your best interests at heart. And if and when you feel that you are getting dragged down by people who aren't at the same wavelength as you will need to move away from them. And you will get the strength, don't worry. All your wishes are coming true, Sagittarius. The card at the bottom of the deck is Ace of Cups. New love. Somebody is going to be offering you a new beginning when it comes to emotional connections, romantic relationships. And it's going to be something that will make you feel fulfilled. Messages for Sagittarius. Messages for my Sagittarius friends. Yep. Somebody is going to be offering you a new beginning when it comes to love. Does Sagittarius know this person? It could be a Leo, Virgo. Um, I don't know why I said Virgo, but could be a Virgo. What I meant is another fire sign, Leo, Sagittarius, or Aries. Somebody who sees how passionate you are, how wonderful you are. They want to offer you a new beginning. They're just waiting for their chance to communicate with you. You could know this person. It's not clear over here. They might have relocated to your workplace, college, residential area from somewhere, and they're willing to go that extra mile for you. Could be a Pisces person that you're dealing with. Just be aware of any kind of secrets that they're holding. They might be going through some turmoil when it comes to financial stability, and Sagittarius, this person could be a flirt, okay? I mean, it's not bad to flirt, but sometimes when you're a compulsive flirt, you end up hurting people. So, Sagittarius, be careful when you trust this person. They're definitely moving on from something, from somewhere, from someone, and coming towards you. It could be a Cancer person that you're dealing with. Messages for my Sagittarius friends. Ten of Wands. The Moon card again. Be wary of this person and the secrets that they hold, Sagittarius. Don't fall into a trap. Take your time. There's no hurry. You can always take your time. And if somebody is trying to push you into a relationship, you know you're not supposed to get into it. Because the right one will always be willing to wait, and they'll never push you into doing something that you're not ready to do, Sagittarius. Let's just see some extra messages for you. Extra messages for my Sagittarius friends. The energy is gaining momentum. Show the world the real you. You and your loved ones are safe. Your dreams need a practical plan. Conclusions are within reach, and surrender to the divine. Things that you cannot control, Sagittarius, you will need to surrender them, because what else can you do? Signs present here are Aquarius, Cancer, Taurus, Libra. The first card, not the first card, this one, you and your loved ones are safe, relates to the first card of the tarot, where I said you are feeling insecure about your loved ones and the safety of your life. Rest assured, you are going to be safe. They are going to be safe. I would like to dedicate this beautiful amethyst crystal to you, Sagittarius, so that you get the strength that you truly deserve. And I hope and pray that the remaining months of 2021 treat you with utmost love, kindness, and respect, and give you a million reasons to smile. I hope you enjoyed this reading, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. Bye.